Hello guys, welcome to DHAATRI Solutions. Today I will show you a project for online shopping. We know online shopping is a platform that have multiple categories of products. We can easily place order and make them delivered to our homes. So we have created this platform that everyone can easily do online shopping. So let's look at the flow diagram. In this project we have three modules: admin, seller and buyer. Admin is the person who handles this website, and authentication of the sellers will be done by the admin. In this project, admin have predefined login credentials. With those predefined login credentials, admin will log in. After logging into account, admin will add the cities which is available, the services online. These services are available. After adding the cities, admin can view the cities which were added. Admin will verify the sellers here because we have to be sure that we are providing the authentic service through our website. So admin will verify the sellers who are going to register in our website. After verification, only sellers able to log in into their accounts. Admin will add the categories of the products which are available in this website. The admin can also view the categories. Based on these categories, admin will add the subcategories in the products. After that, admin will add the products. I'm sorry, admin won't product. Let's see. Seller is a person who sells the products here by registering and login. After they have to give their name, email, phone number, and other details. After successful registration, these profiles will be verified by the admin. After verified by the admin only, sellers can log in, otherwise they cannot have any access to their accounts. They can log in after verification. After logging into their accounts, now sellers will add the products based on the categories and subcategories which were added by the admin. Buyers also have to register by giving their name, email, phone number, password, etc. They can directly log in after registration, no verification required for the buyers. Now, entering into the website, buyers can search for the products and they can view the products. All the products will be displayed based on the search. They can view all the random products as well. They can add the products into the cart. From the cart, buyers, if they want to buy it, they will make the order. Otherwise, they can also remove the items from the cart. If buyers want to place an order or buy such product, they have to pay the relevant amount for confirming the order. After paying the amount and placing the order, this order will be sent to the concerned seller who have uploaded that product. In view orders page, sellers can view the orders from the buyers and they will dispatch the product. After dispatching it, they will make the order status as delivered. Now delivered after, buyers can make the order as received. Here, buyers have the opportunity to add some amount into their wallet. So if they have any amount in their wallet, the order will be placed so easily because they don't have to enter the card details every time they place order. This is an advantage. Admin can view the reports of the products and how many products are being sold every day, what are the graphs, everything will be visible to the admin from all the sellers, but sellers only can view their own products reports. This is all the flow. Let's look at the website. This is our homepage, online shopping. As we have discussed that admin have predefined login credentials, username is admin and password is admin also. After logging into account, admin will add the cities. View cities, Hyderabad and Mumbai. View sellers. If there is any seller register in this page, admin can view. From this page, admin can activate and deactivate. Let's log in once as a register as a seller so that we can understand more. email address, phone number, password to log in into the account, insurance about, because they should have some standard place for selling these products, so that's the insurance we have to upload here. Yeah, insurance and license also we have to upload. Cities, which city they are currently having the services, they have to give it, and registration successful. Now look at the admin module. That admin have to verify their profiles. View sellers, we can see these are the sellers. You can view the license, you can view the insurance, activate if you want to. If you don't want to, we can deactivate. Now add categories in the products. It's a category. We categories, subcategories. Admin will add. Subcategories added. We can see the electronics, the categories is mobile electronics is the category, hardware, computer hardware is another one. These are the subcategories. This is all admin do. Let's log in as a seller and do what he can do. This is seller homepage. They will add the products. First of all, the product name, product price, available count, product picture they have to upload, category they have to select, subcategory they have to select. If the product is customizable, seller have to select that. If a product is customizable, customers can customize it. If it is not, they can select it. Product is added successfully. You can see the view of products here. Based on the categories as well, we can see. In electronics, there is no products available currently. In computer hardware, we can see these products. View product, view orders. Now let's log in as a buyer. Buyers have to register first, right? So, name, email address, phone number, password. Registration successful. Now buyers can log in with the email and password they have given while registration. Now customers can view the products. These are the products available. They can view it by categories. They can view it by subcategory. We can only select subcategories when there is a category is selected. This is it. Two are available, so we can add one. Add to cart. This product is added to cart. We can see the cart. Customers can see buyer ID, seller, who is the seller, who is the buyer, when is the order, everything we can see here. From this, customers can remove the product, otherwise they can place the order from it as well. You can't order now. They have to wait a minute. We'll add some amount in the wallet so that we can see the difference. 1,000. See, Wallet amount is added. Now let's place the order now. If customer has amount in his wallet, the order will be placed automatically. We can see the amount, remaining amount. $100 is the price of the hard disk. If the 100 is minus, the remaining amount will be in the wallet. So every time if a customer wants to place an order, they need not to enter the card details every time. So now let's log in as a seller. Okay. They can view the orders. They can place the order by paying the amount. And CVV expired date they have to give. Payment successful. In view orders we can see. Now sellers will dispatch the product. View orders page we can see. Dispatch. The product is dispatched. And now customers can collect the product. View orders, mark as received, delivered. So it will be in orders history. Sellers can view it. View delivered products. You can see the reports. For the products. Here we can see the graph from which to which the multiple orders placed. You can see the graphs here. This is all about the online shopping. Hope you guys understand. Thank you for watching.